I'd like to talk about prescription drug abuse and the holistic treatment that can help. At the sanctuary, we have a lot of people that come that are on various medications that have been prescribed by their doctors. Perhaps they got on them for depression or anxiety or insomnia. However, pretty soon they find the one medication is now 2, 3, 4, sometimes more than that, and they're in an imbalance. They're having to take medications for side effects and medications for the side effects of the side effects. And pretty soon, the reason they started on the medication is no longer even being treated. So at the sanctuary, we take a two-prong approach. First is let's get somebody stable. Let's do medication management. What medications are working? What medications aren't? How can we streamline? How can we possibly add in supplementation and other types of modalities that might help? And once the person is stable, we want to get really curious. The holistic model asks, why? What was the reason that you first got on the medication? Way beyond the chemical imbalance that we're told. What caused the chemical imbalance? What is happening? So at the sanctuary, you're in a 30-day guided program that is going to help you, mind, body, soul, spirit, get very clear about why. What are the underlying causes? What are the root symptoms? So you don't have to keep living a life of symptom management, but you're able to be free and be able to live a healthier, more complete life.